Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. So finally, the range on the lower side has been broken on Bank Nifty. So if you recall, uh, what was our expectation at the beginning of the month? That is from 1st May onwards. We have clearly indicated in our video that 36,000 levels are to be broken, and Bank Nifty was going towards lower levels, that is 35,000 and then 34,000 and even 33,000. So we have indicated that the support it will take is around 32,200 levels. So it has worked out very well for the month of May, and it has tested the lows, and on the last day of the expiry series, May expiry, it has just broken out of that range. So in the same video we have mentioned that our bias would be negative, and we would be looking for 35,300, 34,050 and 33,200, and worst case scenario 32,300. And we have clearly indicated with the tick mark that the lower levels are 34,015 and 33,200, and the levels which we have given worked out wonderfully. If somebody had followed on a monthly basis or weekly basis, so it would have given a huge returns. Let us hope that this kind of analysis works out for this month too, hoping positively for the month, and believing that the bottom is in place. Let us go ahead with the analysis of um, June month series, the levels for June month. This is a weekly chart of Bank Nifty, where you can see that these lows were formed around these levels, and in overall you can say that this green trend line has been working as a long-term support for Bank Nifty. And on the top side, these two lines, purple line and yellow line, are acting as resistance till now for the past 4-5 months. So what can we expect for this month? That we'll discuss on a daily chart. Don't get confused by so many lines on the chart. So this is made for my personal analysis. Let me take you to a daily time frame chart where you don't have any lines, or at only one to three lines, so it is less confusing for you. So this is the daily time frame chart, and so many lines for few of our subscribers or viewers. It might be confusing, so those who can understand, you can clearly see that that this is a lower high formation and this is a lower low formations. So for those who are getting confused with so many lines, let us move to a plain chart, almost plain chart. This is a daily time frame chart, and don't worry about these three lines, and only just look at this line around 34,100. You have a strong support, and Bank Nifty for the month of May, it has traded within this level and broken out on the last day of the series, and it has gone higher on the first day of this series. So this gap has been filled, So the natural way for Bank Nifty is to take a upward direction in the longer run. So what are the things that we need to keep in our mind? Yes, our bias would be, for this month, our bias would be positive. We are bullish for the month of June 2022. So will it go to 40,000 or 45,000, 42,000? So let us not be that optimistic, considering that Bank Nifty has been taking resistance around this trend line. So practically we may see testing of this level in this month. So when it is going to go till there, we don't know. It may happen in 2 weeks. It may happen toward the end of the month, or it may happen even in the first week itself. Anything is possible in the market. Market is supreme here. So we are all just trying to get best out of the trends in the market, and using our risk management techniques, we are going to protect our capital and generate some income from trading. So which are the levels that we should be looking for this month? So as we have mentioned already, our bias would be positive, bullish. So the levels that we would be looking on the top side are 35,768, 36,162, 36,300, 36,450, and 36,850, 36,995, post which you may see an explosion in Bank Nifty towards 38,138. So this is a extreme bullish scenario, considering that it breaches 36,995, roughly you can say 37,000. There will be a 1,000-point move in no time. So but practically we'll be limiting our expectation till 37,000 or 36,850 for trading purposes. So in case of some other external factors, or Bank Nifty gives up the gains it has made in the last 2 to 3 days and takes the downward direction, what are the levels that we should be looking? 35,127 first, breach of which you will see 960, 34,960, followed by 34,534, 34,452, 34,249, 250 you can say. So this 34,100 to 34,250 will act as a strong support for this series. So this is based on my analysis, conviction, and based on my experience as well. So the range is too much. On the upside you can go till 37,000. On the downside you may come back to 34,100 or 250 levels. So we know the range. Most of the times what happens, we know that if it goes up it will go till this level, if it goes down it will, but are we making money? Are we able to generate income out of it using our risk management techniques? That is the key point. For that you need to have a good risk management technique, discipline, and ability to take small losses using stop losses, or protecting your capital by using trailing stop loss orders for the positions which you are in green, which you are in profit. So that way you can protect your capital and try to maximize your the amount in your trading account. So it is all about discipline, risk management, and accepting losses where your view goes wrong, and the losses should be minimum. The profits, if you are right in your view, and if you are in the trade, the market will bless you with good amount of return. Don't worry about that. So you should have these levels in mind. So all these points: risk management, ability to take smaller losses, and sticking to your analysis. And when your view goes wrong, there is nothing to worry about it. Take small losses, it's not a problem. Use stop losses for the trades which you are in negative, or when you place the order itself, when it is executed, immediately put a stop loss order in the system. And for the positions which you are in profit, use trailing stop loss orders, so that part of your profit is protected. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.